A350 of the day is the Virgin Atlantic from JFK, and that's done the transatlantic in 5 hours 45 minutes. 5 hours 45 minutes. Subsonic. Pretty good going. I know it's nowhere near the record, but it's still pretty good. Here we go, British Airways A350. China Southern Airlines, amazing Airbus A350. Iberian, the A350. There we have the Virgin Atlantic A350 on its way to Orlando. It's a bit chilly in Orlando compared to here. There you go, the Airbus A350 Finnair, and that is Amsterdam to Amsterdam. Virgin Atlantic's A350 from JFK, it's the 10 series. Look at that beauty. British Airways A350, and that's coming in from Chicago, and he's having a wobble. What's going on? Bloody hell. And here we have the British Airways A350 from LAX. That's Los Angeles between me and you. That's the British Airways A350 coming in from Austin, Texas. There we have the Virgin Atlantic A350 on its way to Orlando. British Airways A350, and that is coming from San Diego. It's Virgin's A350 coming in from JFK. British Airways Airbus A350. What a plane. I was lucky enough to fly on that in seat 1A. Sorry, I should say suite 1A. British Airways Club Suite. Coming back from Dubai last year. There's a video on the channel, so if you check out the channel and search for Club Suite, you'll find it. Awesome experience. British Airways A350 coming in from Chicago. It's Malaysian Airlines, their Airbus A350 coming in from Kuala Lumpur. The best satay in the skies on that plane. Virgin Atlantic's Airbus A350 coming in from Los Angeles. It's the British Airways A350. Hours in the air from San Diego. British Airways Airbus A350. Great plane. I flew on that, luckily in Club Suite. It's Club Suite 1A no less. Back from Dubai. Videos on the channel. Please do check it out.